Welcome back to Easy English Vlogs, and today we are going bowling. It's something that I am not very good at, but I am very competitive at every sport or game that I play. So as we go in, we can see an arcade, but the arcade is not where we are going today. We are going to play some bowling. So we walked over to our bowling lane and started to get set up. We took a look to make sure that we have all of the bowling balls that we need and that everything was ready to go. I typed in our names on the screen, so you can see me typing in our names on the touch screen, and they will appear on the big TV. Kate, she took a photo which was our background for the TV screen above the lane. You can see her taking a picture or taking a photograph. And now for the first bowl of the day. Kate has picked up a number 7 bowling ball and is ready to throw it. Wow, look at that shot. A good start, and she has hit down, I think, 7 or 8 pins. Okay, so some bowling vocabulary. The things that you hit at the end of the lane are called bowling pins. Bowling pins. And you're about to see that I am not very good at hitting bowling pins. Bowling is not my favorite game, so I have missed them and I am quite embarrassed. So I am embarrassed. I feel embarrassed and awkward that I have missed the pins. And it happened again. And you can see after a couple of rounds, the score is not going well for me. And Kate is doing much better than me in general, but still missed some of the pins. And I like to have a joke with her and keep her going. Keep someone going means to kind of make a joke with them or about them. I am taking another shot, and once again, I am missing all of the pins. And Kate is having much more success than me with bowling. So when we bowl, we throw the ball and roll it along the lane. So you can see lane number 5. That is a bowling lane. The score is getting much worse at this stage for me. And Kate is almost starting to celebrate that she's already won. But look, she also missed 2. She isn't a perfect player. And I'm certainly not a perfect player either. So she went back for a second attempt, and this time was more successful. Definitely a lot more pins than I can hit. I can't remember what I was saying here. Something about this is going to be my amazing shot, because Kate had forgot to record my good shot before. One of the only good shots that I had, or good bowls that I had the whole match. And I'm back to my usual missing of the pins, and I think again I have missed the pins. I have a very bad habit of throwing the bowling ball or rolling it, and it rolls to the right or to the left. It doesn't go so straight, and I think my technique is not very good. But look, finally, a shot which is good. It wasn't a strike. A strike is when you hit all of the pins in one shot. And it wasn't a spare. A spare is when you hit all of the pins over 2 shots. But I was happy. Even with a score like that, I finally got an okay shot. But Kate had won. So afterwards, we took a walk around the arcade just to show you some of the games that people can play in arcades. There are computer games and some games with basketballs, and you buy tickets and spend those tickets. But we didn't do that today. Maybe another day. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed.